Happy Tuesday, everyone. It's Kim Hong here. Today, I'll be sharing a trade idea with a profit target of 300 pips. So earlier today, we actually hear from not here, but the Reserve Bank of Australia, actually released the meeting minutes for the most recent monetary policy meeting earlier this month, right? The October's meeting. So in the released minutes, nothing much has changed, except for one point. All right, the central bank committee members have actually started to discuss on the ongoing Evergrande saga. So as you guys know, that the Evergrande saga is quite a big ongoing issue in China right now. All right, being the second largest property developer in China, currently is actually owing quite a bit of interest to its bondholders. All right, so there may actually be there are actually ongoing speculations that this may turn out to be something like a Lehman Brothers kind of crisis. So we'll see how it goes, all right, as the saga unfolds. But as for the Reserve Bank of Australia, so there's actually a discussion between them during the monetary policy meeting earlier in October, and they actually highlighted that if this whole Evergrande saga issue is not being handled orderly, all right, then it may actually lead to negative impact on other developers, not just on Evergrande, but on other developers and other financiers as well, because Evergrande need to take loan from different banks, many banks, tons of money from many different banks in China, all right? So if this whole issue is not being handled properly, then, the collapse of Evergrande may actually lead to more issues on the other companies in China as well, But that being said, all right, the RBA also sent out some, I would say, a tone of assurance, that at the moment the sharp price movements that we are seeing is actually limited to Evergrande's own bond and equity prices, and it has not yet spilled over to the other companies, the other countries. So at the moment it's still being contained. This whole crisis, I would say, is still being contained within China, all right, and unless it's actually being spilled out of China, otherwise I would say it's not that serious, as initially expected. I think last Friday, the People's Bank of China, the Central Bank of China, actually mentioned that actually sort of like, I would say, sent out a tone of assurance, that the Evergrande's debt problems on the banking system is actually controllable, all right? So if it's controllable, then it is unlikely that it will actually spill out into to become a global crisis, and it will be contained. Like the Chinese government may actually step in to save the company in whatever means, with whatever means they can, in whatever ways they can, and make this issue small one and just get it over with. So because of that, all right, let me just show you guys the chart. So this is Aussie dollar daily time frame, all right? So this whole Evergrande saga actually took place in September, which is around this period of time. So this is September, this vertical, I'll just make it red line, over here marks the 1st of September, and this second one on the right marks the 1st of October. All right, the first week of October. So as you can see, the Australian dollar actually weakened against the US dollar, right, throughout the month. Mainly, one of the main reasons being the Evergrande issue, right, that has been ongoing, and it has actually had a negative impact on the Australian dollar. So, but for the month of October, as you can see, the Australian dollar has sort of like bounced back, from the previous month's decline, and then forming this double bottom pattern. As if we look at the weekly chart, we will see that this double bottom actually is the lowest level for this year, 2021, right? So the start of this year is around here, around this vertical line over here, all right? So because of this double bottom pattern, okay, and the whole I would say Evergrande saga being, I would say, controlled, okay, in hand, it's in hand, control in hand right now. For the time being, okay, my view is that the Australian dollar is likely going to strengthen, okay, for the time being. So together with the double bottom pattern, all right, I'm actually expecting to buy Australian dollar, okay? So I have a buy stop entry set at 0.752, and my potential profit, okay, my potential stop loss, okay, will be at 150 pips, which is below the 0.74 level, okay? Below the below the 0.74 level. So to be exact, my stop loss is at 0.737 level, okay, 150 pips below my entry level. And as for my potential take profit level, it's actually at the 0.782 level, which is 300 pips. So the risk reward for this trade idea is actually 1:2, right? Risk 1, my reward being 2. So at the moment, okay, I'm still waiting for the Aussie dollar to break above this neckline over here, this blue neckline over here, all right? So breaking above, you know, if it triggers, I'll update you guys again on the our Traders Club platform, EcoFin platform, and our Facebook group, all right? So with that, I've come to the end of my sharing, okay? So if you guys would like to read this, let me just get this website, okay? If you guys would like to read this on our forextradingasia.com blog, all right? If you guys are not already a member, head over to forextradingasia.com, all right? Sign up for a member. You will be, you'll be able to find my trade ideas over there. So this is the article, well, the trade idea that I published on the blog just half an hour ago, all right? So the details are here, the fundamental details are here, and upcoming news that may actually impact the movement of Australian dollar, all right? And yeah, so if you guys actually rate this article, okay, you guys get 1 point for every articles rated. And with the points, you can actually redeem for free Amazon vouchers, all right? So nothing to lose. Head over to forextradingasia.com, sign up, you will see many other articles apart from mine. Let me just show you some of those articles over here. So we actually have analysis on different currency pairs over here, okay? And here are some of the publishers, I would say, the article writers, okay? Like, for example, Jin. And you can find his analysis over here, all right? So for all these articles you read, you get 1 point. And yeah, with the points, you can exchange for Amazon vouchers, okay? So with that, I've come to the end of my sharing, okay? At the moment, okay, we are actually having a promotion, all right? A free 1 month trial for our Traders Club community, okay? So yeah, if you're interested, head over to the link below, jintaothai.com, okay? And express your interest from the website, all right? And you will gain access, 1 month free, okay, access to our Traders Club community. And in there, you will get much more resources, okay? Like faster signals, because we send out our signal first on our platform, our EcoFin platform, okay, before sending it through our Telegram channel. So by joining our club, you'll be able to gain access to our signals earlier. And, there are other resources like my trade ideas, free coaching groups, okay, on every Mondays and Wednesdays as well, all right? So overall, give the 1 month trial a try, if you like it, stay on with us. We have a very lively community over there, and we, talk about trading, Forex trading on a daily basis till late night and things like that, all right? So with that, I will see you guys in the next currency call. Bye for now, take care.